Hi everyone, it's Holly here, and I'm back again this week with a brand new product review and a little mini tutorial as well. If you don't know already, I am the Summer Fridays girl. I review every Summer Fridays product that launches. I make sure to get it and try it out and find a way to use it so that I can share it with everyone. I can't really explain my love for the brand. I just am obsessed with it and have been forever, so I want to share that with others. I have a discount code that you can use at any time, SF Holly, for 15% off anything on the Summer Fridays website, which is amazing, except for the value packs that are discounted already. So let's get right into this brand new launch, share a little bit about it, and then I'll show you how I applied it for my makeup and look today. I have the products in this little leather bag, which I believe you can buy as a set. It will come with these or one of them. I'm not sure entirely, but I'll leave that down below. There's a couple things. I just saw this on the website. Really, really gorgeous little travel cosmetics bag that just looks so chic and put together and high quality. The new products are Illuminating Bronzing Drops and Highlight Drops. This is where skincare and makeup are coming together, which is my favorite place to be. We all know that. So bronzing drops and illuminating drops. Let's just see what it says on the package labeling. These are the boxes. Minimal, chic packaging as usual. This lightweight serum-like formula effortlessly delivers a natural glow with a touch of bronze, infusing skin with soothing hydration. Moisture-locking drops help support a healthy skin barrier for a soft and supple feel. Okay. So it's basically a skincare focused glow, and it adds a lot of benefits to the skin. So the instructions: shake, obviously we know that, add a few drops to moisturize your skin tint or directly on the skin for a touch of bronze. That's what I ended up doing because I have combination skin and oily through my T-zone. I cannot use a product like this all over my face. It would look insane. It's not supposed to clog the pores. So let's look at the product and I'll go through that. Same packaging as the skin tint. I used the skin tint for so long. So I've used a product like this before. A few brands, not tons of brands, but some brands have definitely come out with a product like this. I'll kind of go across my skin here. My lighting setup is reflecting. So instant glow, and actually one thing I did notice immediately about this that is different from other ones I've tried is the instant hydration. It does actually feel and look like you're putting skincare on your skin, because when I went to put this on and apply, you will see in a little bit here, it just kind of looks like I'm adding skincare on top of skincare already. So it is very sheer. It's more sheer than I thought, actually, now putting it on bare skin. It's a very subtle glow. It's not a dark color at all. A lot of skin tones can wear it. It's not going to make you look like you have some weird color on your face. Very, very sheer. Feels like skincare. It does have shimmer in it, so that's again why I say I would not apply this to my whole face, because I have combo skin. If you have combo or oily, do not do that. But if you have any other skin types, you can probably do that, because it will just make you look a little more dewy and glowy, because the shimmer you can't really see unless you're like super close up, and it is very fine. Very, very fine. They did a really good job with that blending. You can see the difference in my hands. My hands are so pale right now. So you can see it show up there. Illuminating drops are gonna be a similar thing. Very light, pearly, and creamy. Feels really nice and light on the skin. It doesn't feel like makeup, which I really like for a change. I feel like myself personally, as well as the beauty community, I feel like we're getting away from that heavy look and feel of makeup. I will say, wow. So this looks just like you went in a dewy mister machine. It does have a substantial amount of shimmer to it. It'll make you glow a lot. Just looking at this close up with nothing on my hand here. You can actually see that on camera as I move my hand. Very transparent and dewy and hydrating on the skin. There's no texture to it. That finely milled shimmer really, I mean, it doesn't show, you can't see the little shimmer flakes, but it does give you a bit of a moonbeam look. I, again, would just have a specific placement for this because I don't want my whole face shining, and my T-zone would be absolutely crazy if I decided to put that all over my face. So we're not doing that. Those are the new Summer Fridays products. I will show you now
a tutorial just how I did my makeup today, how I applied it on my face. You can see how glowy and bronzy I am today.
Putting the bronzer on first, shaking it up. I like to apply it on my hand first so I can just apply the right amount and use a brush to apply. So I'm just applying it on the contour areas of my face like I normally would bronzer, and blending upwards to where the highlight would be, and then just adding as much as I needed. I wasn't sure how bronze this product was going to be. It wasn't too dark, so that was nice. And then I go in with the highlight, do the same process, but I'm going to use my fingers because I like using my fingers for highlight. I find it blends into the skin. I'm layering this just right on top of where that bronzer was, and you can see how silky and beautiful this makes the skin look on the tip of the nose. Such a beautiful look.
That is my review on the brand new Summer Fridays Illuminating and Bronzing Drops. I hope you found it useful and had fun watching and learned some valuable tips. If you're new to my channel and aren't subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. Any questions, I'd love to respond to in the comment section down below. Don't forget to head over to Instagram as well and follow me over there at the same handle at @hall_ward. Don't forget that discount code, that amazing discount code I have. You can use it on the bronzing and highlight drops, SF Holly, for 15% off at summerfridays.com. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.